From AAAFx, this is Chris taking a look at the Dow Jones 30. Pretty choppy day, really didn't go anywhere. Going to end a little just a touch negative. When I pull up the 15-minute chart, you can see we just continued to slice back and forth. Makes sense though, because the market clearly has gotten ahead of itself. We've gained over 10% in just a handful of weeks. And therefore, I think it's probably a scenario where it is only a matter of time before we have to pull back. If we do, there should be buyers, I would imagine, probably right around the 35,000 level. So I'll go ahead and mark that on the chart. And other areas as well, but that's the first place I'm looking for. That means I need to see about a 350-point drop to find enough value to get involved. And that's because if we break above the top of the candlestick for the trading session, there's a lot of noise all the way up to 35,730. Quite frankly, very scary market to get long of after all of this. Not that it can't continue to go higher. It's just that odds favor a pullback that could offer a little bit of value. Pay attention to the US dollar. If it starts to fall and rates continue to fall, that should help the market. Of course, there will be economic numbers that everybody will be paying attention to this week, and we'll have to see what the inflation situation is in the United States. But right now, just a simple case of being overbought. I would not be a seller of this market. Even if we break 35,000, we have a long way to go before the buyers start to take control again, as this momentum, typically when you have these candlesticks, they don't happen in a vacuum. Generally, that means that there are people in the market. Plus, you have to keep in mind, this is the end of the year. The so-called Santa Claus rally is something that a lot of traders believe in. There is seasonality to it. And of course, money managers are going to have to chase stocks and performance.